Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Got a top tip for you. If you've got a drop stitch boat with a drop stitch floor that doesn't have much in the way of tie out points, this is what I've tried and it works quite well. What you do is you get some of these cheap ratchet straps and you feed it underneath the floor like I've done before you inflate it, and then you can lash stuff to your boat directly, or you can create a loop and just lash stuff to that if you want. Found it works really well. So I put two in the back there and one in the front, and as I say, really simple but easy and effective. Just thought I'd share that with you in case it's useful. Thanks for watching. If you've got mates who might find this useful, share it with them too. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.